I didn't get it. He's like, no problem. Huh? He's like, no problem. Except for I am getting fucking cold as fuck. I can't feel my fingers.
Really? Looks like there's like cum on it.
Damn. You could totally fucking
smell that?
Smell the fucking seafoam burning.
Oh, yeah. Stanky bitch.
That thing's like... I was hoping that it was just a stuck lifter and I was gonna like let it go because it's got a little tick to it.
Let it go, let it go.
it would eventually just let it go and be like, fuck. I had something today, then I lost it. Here it goes. Finally. Like, I got pulled over. Damn. That thing is so fucking loud. Like, dude, I have got to be pissing off some motherfuckers. Like, goddamn, put some exhaust on. I do.
I do.
They're called drag pipes for a reason, I guess.
Yeah, right.
Couple blocks away, you still hear the fucking thing just rapping away. You can hear it just in an idle. Like... I wonder if he likes it.
Holy shit, my phone.
Damn. That fucker's loud.
Oh, yeah. Especially when you get on it.
Jesus.